Artificial imagination, a new frontier. Imagine a computer that can create things, not just rearrange existing data, but generate something entirely new. This is the promise of generative AI. Generative AI is a type of artificial intelligence that focuses on creation. It learns patterns from data and uses this knowledge to produce new content. This content can be anything: text, images, music, even computer code. The possibilities are practically limitless. Generative AI is rapidly evolving. It is revolutionizing how we create and interact with technology. This technology is no longer confined to research labs. It is finding its way into our everyday lives. From the photos we take to the music we listen to, generative AI is leaving its mark. Understanding this technology is crucial. It allows us to explore its potential and navigate its challenges. Imagine a world where artists collaborate with AI to create masterpieces, where musicians compose symphonies with the help of algorithms, and where writers craft stories with the assistance of intelligent software. This is not science fiction. It is happening now. Generative AI is transforming the creative process, making it more accessible and innovative. But with great power comes great responsibility. As we embrace this technology, we must also consider the ethical implications and ensure that it is used for the greater good. The future of generative AI is bright, but it is up to us to shape it. By understanding and harnessing its potential, we can create a world where technology and creativity coexist harmoniously. Join me as we delve into the exciting world of generative AI. Together, we will explore its capabilities, its impact, and its future. From the cutting-edge research labs to the devices in our hands, generative AI is shaping the world around us. It is a journey of discovery, innovation, and endless possibilities. Let us embark on this journey together and unlock the full potential of artificial imagination. The future is here, and it is powered by generative AI. Are you ready to explore this new frontier? From the photos we take to the music we listen to, generative AI is leaving its mark. Generative AI is leaving its mark. Understanding this technology is crucial. It allows us to explore its potential and navigate its challenges. Join me as we delve into the exciting world of generative AI. Learning from data. The power of transformers. In the world of artificial intelligence, one of the most groundbreaking advancements has been the development of transformer models. These models have revolutionized how machines understand and generate human language, making them indispensable tools in various applications. At the heart of many generative AI systems lies a powerful architecture, the transformer. Imagine a master detective, someone who can piece together clues from a crime scene to solve a mystery. This detective doesn't just look at individual pieces of evidence, but considers the entire context to make sense of the situation. This detective can analyze a scene and predict what happened. Similarly, transformers analyze data to understand and predict outcomes. They are designed to handle vast amounts of information, breaking it down into manageable pieces and then reassembling it to form a coherent picture. Transformers work in a similar way. They take in large data sets, process the information, and identify patterns and relationships that might not be immediately obvious. This ability to sift through data and find meaningful connections is what makes transformers so powerful. They analyze vast data sets, identifying patterns and relationships. For instance, in natural language processing, transformers can understand the context of a sentence by looking at the words that come before and after a particular word, allowing them to generate more accurate and relevant responses. They don't understand the data like humans. While humans rely on intuition and experience, transformers rely on mathematical models and statistical associations to make sense of the data. This difference in approach allows transformers to process information at a scale and speed that would be impossible for humans. Instead, they learn statistical associations. These associations are derived from the vast amounts of data they are trained on, enabling them to make predictions based on patterns they have seen before. This is particularly useful in tasks like language translation, where understanding the context and nuances of a language is crucial. These associations help them predict what comes next in a sequence. For example, when you type a message on your phone, the predictive text feature uses a transformer model to suggest the next word based on the context of your previous words. Think of it like predicting the next word in a sentence. The transformer model considers the words that came before and uses that information to make an educated guess about what comes next. This ability to predict and generate text is one of the key strengths of transformer models. You consider the words that came before. The transformer does the same, but on a much larger scale and with much greater accuracy. It can process entire paragraphs or even documents, understanding the context and generating coherent and relevant text. The transformer does the same, but it does it on a much larger scale. This scalability is what makes transformers so versatile and powerful. They can be used in a wide range of applications, from chatbots and virtual assistants to content generation and language translation, but it does it on a much larger scale. Transformers can process and analyze data from millions of sources, making them ideal for tasks that require a deep understanding of context and nuance. This ability to handle large-scale data processing is what sets transformers apart from other AI models. This ability to learn and predict makes transformers ideal for generative tasks. They can generate text, translate languages, and even write different kinds of creative content. Whether it's composing an email, writing a story, or translating a document, transformers have the capability to perform these tasks with remarkable accuracy and efficiency, and even write different kinds of creative content. The power of transformers lies in their ability to understand and generate human-like text, making them invaluable tools in the ever-evolving field of artificial intelligence. Creating images, from text to pixels. One of the most captivating applications of generative AI is image synthesis. This technology allows us to create images from mere text descriptions, transforming words into vivid, detailed visuals. Remember the days when creating realistic images required artistic skill? Artists would spend hours, sometimes days, perfecting their craft to bring a vision to life on canvas. Generative AI is changing that. Imagine describing a scene in your mind, and within moments, seeing it materialize before your eyes. You could type, "a cat wearing a top hat riding a unicorn on the moon," and just like that, the AI brings this whimsical scene to life with stunning accuracy and detail. AI models like DALL-E 2 and Stable Diffusion can generate a stunningly realistic image based on your text description. These models have been trained on vast datasets, learning to understand and recreate the nuances of visual art. This technology has far-reaching implications. Imagine architects designing buildings. They can now visualize their concepts in real time, making adjustments on the fly, and seeing the impact immediately. They could simply describe their vision and see it come to life. This not only speeds up the design process, but also enhances collaboration with clients, who can see and interact with the designs in a more tangible way. Or filmmakers creating breathtaking visual effects without elaborate sets. The ability to generate complex scenes and characters digitally opens up new creative possibilities, reducing the need for expensive and time-consuming physical setups. Generative AI is empowering us to visualize our imagination. Artists, designers, and creators of all kinds can now bring their wildest ideas to life with unprecedented ease and precision. It is blurring the lines between reality and the digital world. As these technologies continue to evolve, the possibilities for creative expression and innovation are boundless, transforming the way we perceive and interact with the world around us. Crafting words, the rise of AI writers. Writing, once considered a uniquely human endeavor, is now being revolutionized by generative AI. Language models like GPT-3 and Jurassic 1 Jumbo can generate human-quality text on a wide range of topics. These models can write stories, poems, articles, and even code. They have learned the nuances of language. They can mimic different writing styles and tones. Need help drafting an email? AI can do that. Want to generate creative content for your blog? AI can do that too. The possibilities are endless. While AI writers are not meant to replace human creativity, they offer valuable tools. They assist writers, boost productivity, and open up new avenues for storytelling. Composing music, AI finds its rhythm. Music, a universal language that transcends borders, is also being touched by the magic of generative AI. AI models are now composing original pieces in various styles and genres. Imagine feeding a model with your favorite artist's discography. The AI can analyze the patterns and create music that echoes their style. This technology is not just mimicking existing music, it's about pushing creative boundaries. it is discovering new melodies and harmonies that we might never have imagined. From composing film scores to generating personalized soundtracks, AI is changing how we create and experience music. The future of creation, boundless potential. Generative AI is still in its early stages, yet its potential impact on our world is undeniable. As this technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative applications. In healthcare, AI could design new drugs and therapies. In education, it could personalize learning experiences. The possibilities are as vast as our imagination. However, with great power comes great responsibility. We must address the ethical implications of generative AI. Issues like bias in algorithms and the potential for misuse need careful consideration. As we venture into this exciting new frontier, we must do so thoughtfully and responsibly. The future of creation is here, and it's powered by AI. If you learned something new like the video, share your thoughts in comment section, and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more related videos.